Good afternoon, Con here with Techout, and today we're going to be doing a little Office Update 2.5. I did an update a few days ago over the weekend on just the floors being in and some of my desk stuff being back up. It looks pretty much the same down below here because again, going to be painting. So the other desk over here that's going to go right there is not set up yet. I have two of these drawer sets right here, which you guys have seen before. There's going to be one there and one where that other one is down there. That's not part of it, but it's just one of the plastic ones. It doesn't go there, but the other matching one like this is going to go down there, and that tabletop is going to go on top of it. And then couch, TV. I don't know. I'm either going to put the TV up there or I'm going to get rid of that and wall mount the TV. I haven't fully decided yet. But yeah, so that's kind of the stuff that's going on behind the scenes over here. Here's my desk right here. But what I want to show you guys today is the new ceiling fan. And I know you guys are like, why are you showing us a ceiling fan? Well, this fan is actually a smart fan. So this is the Hunter Exton, EXTON, one of their SimpleConnect line of fans. Now this fan, when I bought it, is actually on clearance. So I don't know how much longer it's going to be available on their website. So if you're looking for it, you may not be able to find it. But I just want to show it to you guys anyway because it is from their SimpleConnect line. So they do have similar fans. I mean, the model is basically just the looks, but all the SimpleConnect fans are going to look and operate, are going to operate the same way and look the same way in terms of their smart functionality and how they work within the app. So this fan does work with HomeKit and Google Home and Alexa. I currently have it set up with Google Home because on my smart home side of things, on my HomeKit side of things, I'm using the Home Hub, which is either my Apple TV or my HomePod, which if you guys look over here, my Apple TV is not hooked up. And I don't know where my HomePod is right now. It was sitting on the table over there before we moved everything, and I just haven't found what box it ended up in. So currently my Apple HomeKit hubs are disconnected. And since my home is set up with a hub, when I go into the Hunter app, their SimpleConnect app, it looks for that hub. So it's not letting me set up the fan with HomeKit right now because it looks for that hub and it's not available. So I don't have it set up for HomeKit right now, but it is set up in Google Home. So I have my shortcuts here on Google Home. I'll move down. I'll show you the shortcuts here. So the office lights are actually a pair. It turns on my light over there, which is connected to a smart plug, and then it turns on the fan light. So I just group those together within Google Home in the app. So that's all that is. But so if we look at the app here, we can see I have the fan light, which is that one right there. I can turn it off. It is a little bit delayed from when I press it. It takes about, I would say, like 3 seconds to respond on the actual fan. And sometimes it doesn't always work. I don't know why it's going to 0%. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so sometimes I get a message saying something went wrong. But for the most part, it works reliably. I haven't had it like fail, completely at all. But sometimes it just says something went wrong, even though it does turn on. And then we can see here, I do have the office fan right above that. So this toggle right here turns the actual fan on and off. And then you have your speeds, low, medium, and high. According to the Hunter documentation, you can also ask Google to reverse the fan direction. I haven't gotten that to work. It says it doesn't support that, which this fan most definitely does because I can do it with the remote and I can do it in the Hunter app itself, but I just turned it on. So as you can see there, and then it shows the speed. So it just moves off a stopped, and then you have low, medium, high. If I hit stopped, it'll turn it off, or I can just hit off and it goes to stopped as well. It's kind of the same thing, but turns it on. So that works pretty well. You can easily control it that way. And then the Hunter app, let me see if I can find it. It's called SimpleConnect. It looks like this. So if you have multiple rooms and multiple fans, each fan will show up here. So you have your fan and your light toggle. Same thing here. It responds a little bit faster, but it's Wi-Fi over the internet. It goes through their servers. It's not like local control. So there is a tiny bit of a delay. It looks like the fan speeds in here, I don't know. It looks like they have more control. I don't know, 1%. I don't think that's really going to be on, but 34%, 67%, 100%. So it's basically still low, medium, and high. I don't know why they put that 1% in there. But you can see the state, connected, online, last action, all that kind of stuff, which it doesn't update all the time, but there's the app. I prefer just to use it with like voice control and stuff like that, especially the light. I like to use it just when I come into the room. I can turn it on because it is controlled by that switch over there by the door. So obviously if you turn that switch off, you're going to lose the smart control features. But if you leave the switch on, or if you just remove the switch and just hardwire the fan so it's constant power, you can always use it with your app and stuff like that. So that's a little Office Update 2.5 there for you guys. So I just wanted to add that because I did talk about the fan in my last video. So I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.